Me pamocho enra the La Traditional Council release krata mo kire say the late Daddy Lumba the 1 week funeral observation enya de betimi atodwa e wo Legon Sports Complex because of homo dwumadi omudie na afi omode tabo ade ato dede yoso no enya de ombema kwan de biara da and obi bi obe na adwen so obetwia for mo nsem so no in fact ombe kire ne kafi apaye nti eno anadwo no nananom so de ani bre ebo kokko ebe kire Ghana fo na say de omode beto dwa no kratom release ye no sa ne sitie enye sa gudie enye sa ebi adadi omo person di nanim ye form dabi daddy omo respect daddy pa omo yada daddy pa enti sa ne sitie eti eno anananom ebe tena asese omo bodwa omo kache Ghana fo na say because of tradition ti dede you no oma bande until next month on the 5th of September ana bibia ebe kama sana sitie na eno adefefe bi so etodwa e wo highway no so ma me akosu asewa enne de nanim serious ai video bi be da ponten asese ye hu se ma me akosu asewa asese wo de ani gie ene ahomeka to da de nyom mo bekai a odia me bebo ne fia na no fada de hu ene ma me akosu asewa secret bi ni ade se mo kai na manfo to o manu di gu ma me su ni ade me kai se ma me ne kasa ye mu no o ka se da de nyom ba ko a oboma ma me akosu asewa fache na eno a me hu se ma me akosu asewa sese ni ma ye sere ahomeka ba na ma me akosu asewa ka mu asese wo boda de nyom asese na efiyi me first time me hu se ma me akosu asewa ka mu anampo wo boda de nyom asese wo di ye video na efiyi pa ai amanfo react say there anida swaba arachichira ba ai yenko ni entie bi kindly drop your comment in a professional way na video na efe Oh, Daddy, RIP to the legend Daddy Lumba. And the first time I hear huma mi akusha se wa se o did Daddy nyom video kama se FE. Kindly drop your comment on that. Yanko tie nananom ebra omo so etena ase omo de ani bre abokoko a omo kire se omo bande noise making dede yo. In fact, Daddy enye se bia omo respect Daddy. Omo yada Daddy pa na mum tradition is tradition. Enti me sraw ebeto dwa no the manager for the late Daddy Lumba Roman father so e de December ku menu bi yare ababeto dwa ba de kan enti nananom omo nsema omo woka
concern from the La traditional authorities. Now our caption is ban on noise making. La state cautions against 1 week celebration for Daddy Lumba. The attention of the La State Council has been drawn to certain advertisements circulating in the media regarding the 1 week funeral celebration for the late legendary high life music icon Charles Kojo Fosu, popularly known as Daddy Lumba, scheduled for Saturday 30th August 2025 at the University of Ghana Sports Stadium, Legon. On behalf of Nime and the good people of La, the La Homo Planning Committee wish to first express our deepest condolences to the bereaved family, friends, and the entire nation for the loss of such a towering international music icon whose legacy remains undeniable. However, the Council wishes to firmly remind the general public and the organizers that effective Monday, 11th August 2025, a ban on noise making came into force across the entire La traditional area, stretching from the main La Township to Malejo, on the Dodowa Road and Ayimensa at the foot of the Ebri Mountains. Aside the general noise making, this ban also strictly prohibits funerals and all funeral-related activities of any kind. During this sacred period, Nime would enter the spiritual realm, and as such, no activity that contravenes the cultural and spiritual order would be tolerated. The Last State Council, therefore, cautions all persons, families, groups, and organizers against any attempt to hold or facilitate such funeral-related events within the La traditional area during the ban. Any such planned activity must be postponed, rescheduled, or cancelled outright. Let it be made clear that there shall be no compromises whatsoever in enforcement of this directive. Our duty is to protect, uphold, preserve the rich cultural heritage and sacred traditions handed down to us by our forebears, and this would not be tolerated. This would be done without fear or favor. The Last State Council further warns that any individual or group that disregards this directive does so at their own risk and will face the full weight of customary and lawful sanctions. For the avoidance of doubt, the ban will remain in force until Friday, 5th September at 6 p.m. Once again, the Council sympathizes with the family of the late Daddy Lumba and assures them of the support of the Last State at the appropriate time when the ban has duly been lifted. Thank you very much. Long live the people of La. Thank you.
The respect for tradition is observed. The ban on noise making, says a Yanibra Sempa, Tino, Enyagudi, Tinanum Atanankunya, Anate Omunkano. Yankwati, Roman father, a manager, the late Daddy Lumba, and Sabakumilubi.
Ghana for me jina a corner ebusia and a dear funeral committee and a muna dedikai yadamose since 26 July papa deal Charles Kefosu etoyeno matre odo maye amanaefe name say deal 1 week observation or ebe koso University of Ghana Sports Complex nam enam la homowo planning committee for HSA yintimi emma 1 week observation emma so it's say I'm a ban of noise making. I'm on the on the on the 5th September. But him say ban of noise making, a chassis on the 11th May and end on the 12th June. But most some day different from one. You need here Rebecca. The 24 can say yes some venue every Legon Sports Complex. Nayen Fanko Independence Square. Independence Square. Same date. 30th August. Independence Square. H Blaster Square. It's yet Nesremo a how be a dear bro Biano Nesremo and no more damn woman the late Charles Kefosu and your busia where John Merchant to Yesemo Momeja and then your fe and your busia pe Madaroma and the massive baby.
Roman father not telling Ghana and intino Babia Modibekubia Adofo and a jump for on Beba Daddy Mundunti Daddy Mundunti. Yebeba ma bibia kama ti Roman father na attend kan bet me pa cho video as say efe na manfo ka ho asem ye mame akosua sewa se omuhu bibi say da arechichiraba so ata say na manfo ekura say was mo wodu no mame ne wodu no ana ama arechichiraba sa na say well eja say highway so nkomo nti e den ama me no beti anti mame shede bibia be kama eti anwuma Daddy eboma mami akusua sewa no mami ntia ba mami akusua de akusua sewa de aba oh RIP to Daddy Lumba. The legend lives on. The songs lives on. Mami Akusia se wa shedding. Bibi abe kama. Was born to you. You can drop your comment and share the video. So what I say. Onyankopon ya adoma. Ochina on the 30th. Ochina on the 30th. Etino bibi abe kama. Yebehwe Blaster Square and I say Independence Square. Baby ye vigil no. Aho Anna 1 week ebituja and the tradition must also be preserved and respect. And one if you kindly drop your comment in a professional way. RIP to the late Daddy Lumba. Radim for the crazy.